Today we continue with do-it-yourself tools from Dremel, and this one is quite interesting because it could be used in multiple scenarios. So today we're going to talk about, actually the name says it all, Dremel Versa, because it kind of is versatile in some sort of way. So let's first take it out of the box, unbox it basically, and as I already stated in my past video, when it comes to Dremel, this is why I love Dremel products. You get a nice carrying bag which you can carry your Dremel products, and that's really slick. Now we have loads of stuff here. These are the instruction manual. We have Dremel Versa. This is on how to use it. That's it. Was this? Follow Dremel on social media as well. And here we have all the necessary stuff. I mean, you get loads of stuff in this box, and this will be quite handy, I have to say. So we have the Versa. You have, this is some sort of a brush tool. It's not that sharp, so it's more like a scrubbing possibility for tiles, I would say. You know, those middle parts between the tiles that you sometimes have, well, you eventually have to clean everything. So when it comes to this, you can easily clean the tiles without, you know, scrubbing with your hands, and this makes it much easier. This thing right here is the rubber cover that actually covers up all the parts that are spreading around when brushing, dusting, polishing, or whatever. I'll show you that later on. Now we have, this is a Velcro addition that you place on your Versa, and you attach extra bits that you're going to use with it, of course. Now, USB charging cable, which you could connect to your power socket in your wall if you have a USB, or you use one from your phone. It's not type C, so it doesn't have quick charging, so charging takes up to 2 hours, but I think this is quite alright. And here are the additional parts that you have. So we have 3 polishing pads, we have 3 heavy duty pads, and we have 3 non-scratch pads. It's quite interesting to get all of this, and okay, this is something extra just to separate everything in the box, but quite nice. Now here how it works. You just screw this up on top of your Dremel Versa, and that's it. So the speed is quite alright. You can't expect it to go crazy fast, but it does work quite nicely. Now I want to show you something else. Now, for instance, you want to brush something off, dust it, let's put it that way. So you use this part here, you attach it, you have a specific canal right here where you push this one on. You use the Velcro adapter, let's put it that way, let's call it that way. And when you attach it, you just use the, for instance, heavy duty pad, you put it in the middle so it has nice circular motion and it doesn't do those crazy 8s when spinning around. And to cover it up, you use this one. So basically, even though the rubber part goes much above the scratch part, when you place it on the table, you push it a bit. So this way, the rubber part that actually hides, well, basically protects from extra parts that are flying all around, keeps the mess inside this part, inside this containment, the rubber part. You can just push it easily, and the part goes directly to the surface that you want to brush, polish, or dust, or whatever. So this is a cool addition and definitely is something interesting. If you're done with the polishing part or the heavy duty pad, you just switch it up if it's already used out and attach a new one. So basically it's quite easy, you know. Now here at the back you have the USB connectivity, so you could charge it quite nicely. Fully charged before usage, of course it's logical, because then you get the full amount, the full length of time while using the Versa, and you don't do something halfway and then the battery is out, so you do either connect it to your USB and use it, but it's a too short cable basically to use it like that, I would say. Now, the cool thing about this product is you can do it in multiple scenarios. As I said, you have tiles in the kitchen, in the bathroom, or anywhere else. I know this doesn't have anything to do with my channel, but this is some sort of a, let's say, do-it-yourself tool, which can be definitely used in modding. So for instance, you have a large area that you want to dust before placing a primer color or something like that. You use this one, heavy duty pad, or at least a soft one, which even though it's a non-scratched, it will definitely, I think in my opinion, scratch a bit of a surface from the color if you're trying to place a primer. But this one does need to be tested to see if it's really a non-scratch or it actually leaves some scratches behind and makes it good, at least for spray painting. If it's for cleaning something and it leaves scratches, then it's definitely not good. But for instance, you can use this to clean glass panels, not plexiglass, but pure glass. So if you have, for instance, table in the outdoors and it's raining, you have that nasty rain and pollen and all the other stuff accumulating during the year or summer part or whatever, you can use this one, put some hot water or soap and just clean it all up, and then after that just wipe it off. So for instance, what I will be using this is I have a project that will be finished by the end of September, and I do have to dust huge areas of the case because I want to place primer first, and then I want to place a clear coat of red, and you'll see everything soon. So I'm going to use this one, and I'm not sure, for instance, in this situation, since I have to have a clean surface of before spray painting, I'm not sure if I'm going to use this one. This one I would recommend using when you're cleaning the tiles or stuff like that, so the water doesn't splash all around. If you're brushing something or dusting like I will, and you're most likely going to do it in a garage or somewhere where it's already prepared for do-it-yourself projects that will make some sort of a mess. So this, and that's it. Now the cool thing, you don't have to hold the button for the whole time that you're working. You just press it once, it starts spinning, you press it again and it stops spinning. Quite logical, right? But I like to point the obvious out. Now some main specifications, it's waterproof, even though the connection is really opened up, so you don't have to worry about that. That's why I stated that you could use it on tiles or even fence brushing, cleaning your rims on your cars or stuff like that. It's quite comfortable and easy to use it because it fits perfectly in your palm of your hand, and that's quite nice. You can even clean your oven or your top part. And the cool thing, as I said, the whole name Versa is that it means it's versatile, it's specialized for all sorts of users. So you have special pads and brushes that are great for indoor and outdoor usage, wet, dry application, and everything else. And I said, this is some sort of a multi-purpose do-it-yourself tool that you could use in any scenario. So basically, as I stated in the past video with Dremel DSM20 and Dremel Versa, you're going to see the full usage of those products in that project, because I have loads of cutting, I have loads of dusting, and I have most likely loads of polishing. So it'll be cool if you guys stick around, subscribe, of course, click the thumbs up button and click the notification bell so you don't miss that video, and I will see you very soon. But before we go, check out the link below for the Dremel Versa and where to buy it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye bye.